Start. Sir, I spot the black money and disclosed foreign income and assets and imposition of tax bill 2015. Stop. As our leader has said, the Congress party fully supports this bill. Stop. At the same time, we have to bring up certain deficiencies which are there to be rectified in future amendments. Stop. First of all, I would like to bring to the attention of the government that we are bound by the United Nations General Assembly, which as early as 31st October 2003 had made that on the basis of recalling its resolution number 61 of 4th December 2000, it established an ad hoc committee to go into the question of these types of evasion of taxation throughout the world. Stop. It happened for 3 years by having different types of meetings, and finally they came forward with the United Nations Convention Against Corruption. Stop. I would just quote the beginning of the preamble. Stop. I quote, concerned about the seriousness of problems and threats posed by corruption to the stability and security of societies, undermining the institutions and values of democracy, ethical values and justice, jeopardizing sustainable development and the rule of law. Stop. This is where the government has it. Stop. All the states parties of the convention have signed it. 140 countries have signed this convention. Stop. On that basis, different levels of discussions were going on, and finally they came out with different topics and chapters, so to say covering about 71 articles. Stop. In different ways, states parties have to follow it in their own countries. Stop. I find that this particular bill, which is coined as the Black Money Bill and disclosed foreign income and assets and imposition of tax bill, is very fragile, and it is only an extension of section 139 of the Income Tax Act. Stop. Section 139 is very clear in stating that the filing of income tax return is compulsory. Stop. In various cases they are saying that. Stop. Finally, subclause provides that any asset including financial interest in any entity located outside India or signing authority in any account located outside India is required to file a return of income in prescribed from compulsorily whether or not he has the income chargeable to tax. Stop. But if you see the present act, it defines as to why this particular act has been brought out in India after many years. Stop.